Oh yeah, sorry for jump scaring you. Alright, this is part 2 now. Oh, he has a jetpack! Which is I also have. Which I regretted after I did that. Where's the button? Raining bombs! I ain't seeing no bomb. Oh. Is that violent? What the fuck? Well, that's why it's... Somebody just... Oh, bomb! Oh my god, it's my own statue, but... Oh no, don't explode my statue. I wanna touch my statue. No, my statue. Fuck. I ran out of time to move. It just... Oh, am I spawning it? Oh! Lemon. I think... See? That's why I never get close to the thing you wanna get close to. Huh? I can't zoom out! I can't... Oh, I can only zoom in. I can't! Oh, there you go. Due to my calculations, that will not hit me. See, I survived. Now I got 5. Dodge the lasers! Bro! No! I ain't following no instructions. I'm stubborn. What? What was that? There we go. Wait, fuck. Wait. What is that? What? Oh my god, it's pay to win cringe, guys. This is not spicy. But it launched me all the way to Mars. 82. 82, but backwards, so this should be right now. 79. But I wanna see 60, not. Where is 82? There! There! 82! Here's your peso, you nig!
Knowledge.
Oh, now I'm smart.
Knowledge.
Yeah.
Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge.
Whee! Hey, juke! 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 Where am I? Oh my god! Knowledge. What? Boom! Oh no! No! Bro, don't leave me behind! No! No! All my goal is to get 1 win, bro. Just get the 1 win and anything. Oh, sorry if it's too noisy. Oh my god. Rawr. I can buy this one. Banana. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no! Yeah, I'm stupid. This is your color. So you could hear. Just drink cola, bro. Oh, 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 oh. I hate this game, bro. I should have bought some shit. No, guys! No, no. This is smart.
Bro, don't die in that game, okay?
Okay. Wait, I'm too lazy, guys. I shouldn't do this. So fair. They give me coins. Ah! Bro, this is a lifesaver. Y'all are dumbbells! And you? Fix your Wi-Fi! I wanna put my dick inside it. Heh. Last one. Bro, what the hell? Bro thinks he's Superman. Look at his. Bro is paralyzed. Tigil, 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 tigil. Bobby. No, Bobby. Bobby, no. Put one more. Oh, it's falling. I'm drowning. Oh, oh. I did not die. Don't forget cross this. I'ma finish the video, which is I ain't doing. Sorry for my brother's fucking laugh, bro. What the hell? What the hell is that type of laugh? Laugh or hell? Laugh or hell or something? Taylor Swift. Wait, if I get 18 Robux, I can build. Escape, escape, escape. This way, tama escape. Don't worry. Mukha kang laptop na napunta sa flip-top. If I win this, I'm ending this video.